Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to sync Trello and Outlook Calendar with automated two-way updates. This integration is a game changer for managing tasks and schedules seamlessly across both platforms. First, log into your Trello account. If you haven't already, enter your credentials on the main login page. Next, navigate to the Trello board where you want this integration. Once you're on the board, click on Power-Ups. Power-ups are add-ons that enhance your Trello boards, and we'll use one today to link Trello with Outlook. In the search bar, type Outlook Calendar for Trello and select it from the results. Click Add to integrate it into your board. Now it's time to configure the Power-Up. Click on Settings next to the Outlook Calendar, Power-Up. You'll be prompted to authorize access. This is crucial for syncing data between Trello and Outlook. Make sure you grant permission so the integration can fetch updates from both platforms. Finally, connect your Trello and Outlook accounts by entering your credentials for both. Once connected, your Trello tasks will automatically appear in Outlook, and any changes made in Outlook will reflect in Trello, completing a seamless two-way sync. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.